Guys, hindi ako marunong mag-live. But it's okay. Anong name ng game? Collapsing Tower po. Two old friends meet again. May nagsabi, punta daw ako sa orange. So doon, malalaglag ka nga kasi and bumalik tuloy ako. Sabi din nila, may nagpupunta nga ako dito. Ay, magpunggang. Yan ba yan? Ang ginagawa naman. Two old friends meet again, wearing all the faces, jump out the places they play. Two old sweethearts that fell apart somewhere ago. How would they to someday they meet again and have a need for more. And reminisce said, maybe this time it'll be love when they find. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's back on his life, and it feels so right. Maybe this time, love only. She just smiling, she's a smile way back then. Feeling she's filled with back when I tried. Something kept them waiting for this magic moment. Oh, maybe this time it'll be love they find. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. So he's back in his life, and it feels so right. Maybe this time, maybe this time, maybe this time, love only. Anong next po yung song? So guys, request lang kayo kung anong song yung makakantahan namin kayo. Kahit hindi naman kami singer. Guys, kasi hindi kami marunong babasahin namin. So tapos na yung maybe this time. Walang nag-request na maybe this time. Kaya kami lang. That's my favorite or no. So wala pa din nag-request. Ano na lang yung kakantahin namin? Yung if ever you're in my arms again. Ay. Sayang. Huwag pa kayong mahiya guys sa mga namin. Mga channel. So, teka lang. Hindi ako marunong sa yung unang lyrics sa If Ever You're in My Arms Again. Pero, anuhin na natin. If ever you're in my arms again, this time I'll hold you forever. This love will never end. never end. The best and from men take this a second chance that I get you somehow. Cause I'm promised now. If every hour in my arms again, this time I'll love you much better. If every hour in my arms again, this time I'll hold you forever. This time will never end.
ay regalo niya kan siya.
So tapos na akong kumantahan.
Basa ka ng free aid daw.
Anong next yung sounds? Pa-shout out. Pa-shout out, Alex. My name is... What's your full name, please? My name is Princess Kisha E. Montemayor. Sabi ko na nga ba. Kaya ba nilalaglag ako? Ay, pala, bumalik na ako sa dati. Pero, ang binabina mo ni Papa. Maka na lang magbe.